one thing that makes me very excited is the end user. And in this phase, the end user are the students and the staff of Renaissance. I think it's very important that you create a space that our future leaders can utilize. And it makes me very happy that in a couple of months to come, this would be a space that our students will be able to utilize, will be excited to be in, would have fun learning and becoming the next future leaders.
The design was really born out of continual growth of our school, as well as the existing features of the building, and attempting to honor some of the history and what has been here for many years in Phoenixville.
So we're looking at roughly a 9-month project here from start to finish. So we started beginning of January, so we're looking to wrap up at the end of September. So communication is the biggest thing to mitigating as many issues as possible. Bob is doing a great job with the other prime contractors on site, just talking back and forth and working with Bill at the school to handle things as quickly as possible.
The construction project is several phases. We'll be doing construction in one part of the building that will eventually service our business office and our first and second grade classrooms, as well as a few other offices and flexible spaces.
It's a wonderful design. We accommodated this space, this existing space. It has a lot of windows that brings natural light, so it makes it have that connection with nature. So it's very wonderful for the students, staff that are going to be in the space.
We're just looking forward to just continuing progress and getting this project done as quickly as possible for the school so the kids can enjoy it at the start of the new year.
I am most excited when I think about the upcoming construction, when I think about the additional space that we'll have, the additional safety features that are being incorporated, and some of the opportunities that our students will have with the enhanced science labs and flexible spaces that can be used by our staff in a variety of ways.